Made some yogurt in jars. I boiled the milk 15-20 minutes. 15 minutes. Mix it with fresh yogurt. Leave it overnight. And now it's ready, hopefully. Let's see. I put the paper here so it's not condensating onto the yogurt. This, so it doesn't go back in the yogurt. Let's see. Oh, it's like a stone almost. Smells really yogurty. Let's try it. Let's see. Oh, it's really creamy. Very creamy. Okay, let's see. This should be very thick now. It's been sitting one day in the fridge. Okay. Nice shape. Nice shape there. Not so much flexible now. I try to hold it upside down. Should I try it? Not sure. Let's try upside down. Wow. Okay. Upside down. This is really thick yogurt now. doesn't fall. Hope it doesn't fall now. Wow. Okay, let's try it. Let's see how it is. Let's see how it is. Time to give it a try. Let's see how thick this yogurt can be. Let's see. Wow. After seeing, when I took it from here, it was a bit too sweet. After sitting in the fridge for one day, made it just a little bit sour. This is not sour yogurt. It's really nice to make sweets, creams or pastries. It's more mild and much more creamy. It's nice for the confectionery, for cakes, for sweets, pastries. It's much more mild than the other one. And you see, the whey doesn't come out at all from this one. It really holds on. So this is really good for confectionaries, pastries. Super smooth. It's not only super smooth. Wow. It's also very thick, smooth and thick. Look how it holds on. It's like cream, like milk cream. Nice. I will not eat all of it, but I will make more. I still prefer the one with fresh milk, especially when it leaves a bit of the whey here. It feels a bit more sour. I prefer that with the fresh milk to eat with the meat or some salad. The fresh milk is really nice with meat or some salad to eat some with the normal food, but this is really nice, smooth for pastries, cakes, confectionery. You can use this yogurt instead of the cream, so it's less fat. With the spoon. Now I can make both. See, there's no way. It really holds on. And here it's only UHT milk, 3.5% fat, boiled from 2 liters to 1.5 liter, and yogurt, nothing else. No gelatins, no extra ingredients, only 2 ingredients and time. Yeah, made a bit of condensation here. Better to put some paper or a cloth under the lid, between the jar and the lid. But yeah, okay. Nice.